get into it. Get into it. Hey guys, it's Rhea and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be on a review on this lovely wig. Get into it. Get into it. If you guys would like to know more about this wig, make sure you guys stay tuned and let's get right into it. Okay, so this wig is the Outre from the Perfect Hairline collection. This is Shaday. So here is the box that it came in. Here is the little info card. A 32-inch wig, which I don't know about 32-inch, but baby, this hair is definitely long. I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm 5'5", and this comes all the way down to like damn near my waist. I'm 5'5", 5'4", whatever I'm gonna claim today. But I installed this wig yesterday. I did do a install video, so if you guys would like to see that install video, just let me know in the comment section and like this video as well. I got this wig in the color 1B. They do have like your natural colors, you know, your 1B, 1, 2, but they also do have special colors. There's like a ash brown, marble gray, golden amber, red velvet. Definitely didn't know that they had a marble gray, but I feel like I'm definitely gonna try that. 13x6 lace. I can show you like the structure, the inside of the wig, how it looks in this clip. This hair did come with some baby hairs, but I didn't really use the baby hairs. I kind of made my own. So yeah, baby hairs was definitely very long. To have Swiss lace. Lace was very thin. It was very easy for me to blend in with my skin tone. I did use a tint spray for the lace, just because the lace was a little bit too light. This wig definitely takes heat really well. I don't know if it's just like the Perfect Hairline collection or if it's just Outre as a whole. All of the wigs from the Perfect Hairline, it takes heat really well. It says on here that it's safe up to 400 degrees. So yeah, I definitely put some heat on it just to flatten the top of my head. I didn't pluck this wig. I definitely feel like it could be plucked a little bit more just to look a little bit more natural. So if you would like to pluck the wig, you can, but I just decided not to. And I think it still came out pretty good. There's definitely a lot of like parting space. I don't know if you guys can see, but like right here, lots of parting space. I love it. I just put just a little bit of concealer on the lace just to make it, you know, pop a little bit more. I decided to leave this in the middle because I was trying to go for like a sleek ponytail type of thing going on, but unfortunately that didn't really work out, so I just left it as a middle part. But yeah, you definitely could wear this like as a side part. Once this gets old, I can't wait to see it, how it looks as a side part. I mean, that's pretty much it. So far I am loving the wig. This wig I can definitely see me wearing in the summertime. I don't know all the summertime, you know, probably like in the beginning stages like right now where it's kind of going between cold and hot. But I don't know about 90-degree weather with this long hair, because this hair is extremely long. Like I think this is the longest length I've ever had in my head, like ever. But yeah, very long, very natural looking. There's no like real shine to it. It's kind of like that natural natural color to it. But yeah, you guys, let me know in the comment section if you guys have this wig. Let me know how your wig is holding up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I will be doing more hair videos. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.